On a typical day in Yogaville, the arrival of this white vehicle means whatever is broken is about to get fixed by one of the most joyfully overqualified handymen in the world. Yasir Shah graduated from the University of Maryland as a mechanical engineer.
It's yoga, and I'm just learning to do that. I'm not saying I am there, but it's so much pleasure in just closely paying attention to every little intricacy of putting a lock together. Nice. I think it went well. Let's see. It works.
Yasir began his encounter with Yogaville in the Living Yoga Training Program, a month-long residential experience of ashram life. Even before the month was over, world traveler Yasir realized that his true happiness would be found living here in Yogaville.
Everyone is so close, and they're your best friend.
Yasir enthusiastically dove into the next available Integral Yoga Hatha Teacher Training Basic course. He graduated and signed up to cover support staff positions. His joyful aspiration and skills brought him to the attention of ashram senior staff.
He does everything like that. He has a very natural ability and intelligence about how to fix things, and he does it with such ease and such pleasure, and it's magical.
For years, the noise spewing from the ashram kitchen's dishwashing machine dominated the space. Then, along came Yasir.
It's just amazingly quiet, and I've been here for 7 years, and it always sounded like a 747 engine, and now it just purrs like a Prius.
Just as Yogaville founder Sri Swami Satchidananda loved humor and having fun, so does Yasir. He and Shiva Abundance have been toying with the idea of creating a stand-up comedy act.
I would love that. It would make me a little bit uncomfortable to get up and try to make a fool out of myself. And I think that's the yogic path. You have to burn your ego somehow, and you have to embarrass yourself. And I haven't done enough embarrassing of the self yet. Yogaville is the answer to my prayers. It allows me to contemplate my existence, to understand my mind. It allows me to understand my body, to return to that peaceful origin that I think we all come from.